This is a Extreme Sour Warhead watermelon. Look at it. It's real. I'm scared.
No barking.
Oh, my heart hurts.
No puking or drooling.
Otherwise you just
I'm not done yet. Okay. Okay, it's done.
So, how did it feel?
Terrible. Oh, my tongue hurts.
Did it feel like your insides were burning?
It's my mouth. My mouth.
Did it feel like the back of your throat was burning?
No.
Did it feel like
My
your
tongue is
entire
fried.
mouth is burning? Does it feel like your mouth is burning? Was it burning? Is it still burning? In the back of your throat?
Mm-hmm.
It's burning? Okay.
Bye.